Welcome to Gregolos TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set individual app notification sounds for your apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I've previously done this video, but ever since One UI 6.1, Samsung has changed it a little bit. So I'm going to show you the new steps in which they have done, and now you can still do it. So what you want to do is we want to go to settings first. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top twice, hit the gear in the top right to go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go down until you see notifications, tap on notifications. Then you want to go into advanced settings. From here, you want to go into manage notification categories for each app. You want to turn that on. It's off by default, at least it should be. So turn it on, make sure it looks like that so that it's on. At this point, this is when you can set them. So go home, find the app that you want. It could be basically any app that you want. Some apps won't let you do it, but most of them will. So we'll just say I want to do it for my text messaging app. So what I'm going to do is press and hold on that. Once I have that open, you're going to hit the I. So hit the I, it brings me in here. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go into where it says notifications. So find notifications, tap on it. Make sure notifications are on, obviously. And then from here, you want to go down and you want to go to notification categories. And then you want to choose it for what you want. So for instance, it's not going to do it for allow notifications because that's just to turn them on in general. But if you choose on incoming messages and you come in here, then you can do it. You can see I have it on, and then I have sound here. So this is the default sound. So here we go, choose your sound you want. Maybe I want that one. I'm gonna hit the back button, and now it's set for that. But you have to remember, there's all kinds of categories for it, so it can be very, very time consuming in order to do this. So you'd have to also choose another one. So like maybe I get a notification for message not delivered. So I tap on that, there's a whole nother one, and it's always gonna be set to whatever is the default one. And you can still change it, but it's just gonna be pretty time consuming. You can see it changed. Go back and you have a bunch of these, and you can do that for basically, like I said, any of your apps. So if I have another app in here, maybe I want it for, so I'll choose eBay, press and hold it, go into the I, and then from here, you're gonna go to notifications again and notification categories. Choose the one you want it for. Maybe you want it for general notifications. Here's the default sound. Maybe you want it to be cha-ching because you're dealing with money. And there you go. That's how you change the notifications for your apps, guys. Hope that video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.